Hey, folks, here's the latest information going on in Northern Virginia as far as the transactions that are happening in February. And what we're seeing is that sellers are bringing more money to the table to help buyers purchase their property. We call this concessions to buyers. And in February, it rose to a pretty high level than what we've seen in the past. What you're looking at on this chart is the blue is the number of sales for the month of those areas: Alexandria, Arlington Falls Church, Fairfax County and City, Loudoun County, Prince William County, Prince George's County in Maryland, Montgomery County in Maryland, and Washington, D.C. The orange are the bars showing how many of those transactions in each category where the seller brought money to the table to help the buyers to get to closing. Now, I say sellers brought money to the table. A lot of times, what that means is sellers gave some money back that the buyer brought to the table from their down payment and their loan. So, when we take a look at what's happening here as far as how many sellers are actually providing some sort of concession to buyers to get to the table, we see it's upwards to 67% for Prince George's County and a low of 37% in Arlington Falls Church. Now, historically, what we know is that usually this lingers to 10 to 20%, depending on the state of the market and how active the market is moving in a given time period. These are pretty high. It means almost one out of two sellers are saying, okay, I'll give you some money to get to the table to help this happen. And so they're giving money for points for the mortgage, they're giving money for closing cost assistance, or they're giving money for repairs on something in the house that needs attention. So when we take a look at those who did give money, like the 47% in Alexandria, the average was over $15,000. In Arlington Falls Church, it was $12,380. Fairfax County, over $14,000. Loudoun County, over $15,000. As you can see across the board, the sellers are definitely bringing some money to the table to make the deal happen in February 2026. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this, please like it, share it to your friends and to other realtors who could use the information. But be ready for March. It's getting a lot hotter, and I'll come back with numbers that probably are quite a bit different.